Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notifications from pages you follow while managing your own Facebook page, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable following pages notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, all updated for the latest Facebook interface. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with all the pages you manage. Select the page where you want to adjust your notification settings. After you've entered your page, look for your page's profile photo and click on it. This will take you to your page's main profile area, where you can access all the settings specific to that page. Now, it's time to dive into the settings. On the left-hand menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new list will appear. Select Settings from this menu. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Notifications option. Click on it, and you'll see a list of different notification settings. Look for the section labeled Pages You Follow. Here's where you can finally take control. Under Pages You Follow, you'll see the option that says Allow Notifications on Facebook. Simply toggle this switch off. Once you do this, you'll stop receiving notifications from pages you follow while using your own page. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've now disabled those distracting notifications and can focus on managing your own page without interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Facebook tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.